Hey guys, this is Sarvesh and in this video I'll be talking about Codesnip Python package. So to install Codesnip you need to write the command pip install Codesnip onto your terminal. So after you have installed it, what we can do is we can simply save these code snippets which you use a lot to that particular package and then you can retrieve it. So to save it you need to write the command codesnip -s and you need to create a folder. For this purpose I will create test folder and the keys would be basically basic codesnip test tut. There we go, and codesnip has successfully been saved. Now to retrieve it, what we can do is we can simply use codesnip -f command. So codesnip -f, and it was in test folder. I'll write basic there because I have two code snippets saved with the name basic. So as you can see we have fetched these thing and we need to select either one. So for this I will use one, and there we go. I have successfully copied code snippet onto our clipboard, and as you can see we have our code snip onto our clipboard. Now the next thing which you can do is you can delete the code snip which you have saved. So for that you can write codesnip -d, and we had it in test folder and key would be basic, and I want to delete the one which we have created, which is the second one. For that I will write one, and as you can see snippet has been deleted. Now other thing which you can do is you can print all the folders. So for that you will write codesnip -p, and there we go. I have three folders saved in codesnip, so it shows all those three. Now that's it for code snippet library or codesnip library, and it helps you a lot while you code, so do install it. So that's it.